Let's go, YouTube. Hey, we back with another video, man. What's the video, you might ask? Man, got some trolleys, man. Got some gummy worms, electric sour crawlers, man. Y'all, we gonna fish with this. And guess what? I got another surprise for you. Y'all been asking for him. Come on in. Let's go! Go! He's back. Hey, that's hilarious, man. Hey, brother. We about to go crazy with this. I don't even know if it's gonna work.
It's gonna work.
It's fact. It's gonna work. Man, let's get into the video, man. Y'all already know what we doing. I'm gonna show y'all once we get in there. Let's get it. Wop up. Y'all, man. We fishing with the electric crawlers from Trolley, man. Gummy worms. They look crazy though. They look crazy though. Hold on.
Crazy.
Oh snap. That might hit though. What you think? What you think?
Bust one real quick though.
Is it on? Let's see. Should I do it like a bird?
Yeah, you look like a bird.
Nah, that look weird. Let's see, man.
Is it melting?
Bro.
10 out of 10. I'm good. I know. You know, I like my hands to be a little bit more clean when I eat. But
it's busting, bro.
Busting?
It's good.
I think it's good. The fish gonna think it's good.
Like, I ain't gonna lie. Might have to just end the video here. It's that good, man.
That good?
We are not sponsored, y'all, but I'm gonna let y'all know. It's good. Y'all might want to try these. I don't know what it is about over here that just feels juicy.
I feel that energy too.
You feel it?
Yeah, I feel that energy too.
Man, I don't know, bro. Right here, brother. Look at that. These. Let's see. Let's see the action on it.
Oh,
there ain't no action.
It's stiff.
It is stiff, but like, what's it gonna be like in the water?
Water hitting might be different. I'm not gonna lie, that's not bad though.
It's not bad.
It may not have that action, but it's definitely right there. I like that.
Let's try it. I'm gonna throw a camera. Which way?
Don't even matter. Whatever you feel like is the fish at. Oh, what happened to it? Curled up on you?
Curled up? What's going on, YouTube family? Just taking a brief intermission, man. Like I told y'all in the last video, okay? Ooh, what's that on my lens? Like I told y'all in the last video, basically, we're gonna read off some comments from you guys. Just to show some love, just to let y'all know that I do see y'all in the comment section, man. So we're gonna pull up our first comment. We have Justin Souls DR5XS, and he said you actually caught something. Hey, that's crazy, Justin. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I probably did catch something that day. I probably did. Actually, if I remember correctly, Justin is from a live. He's from one of my live streams. We didn't catch anything that live stream. Told him to watch the video. He watched it. Told me I actually caught something. Yes, sir. I appreciate the love. Next comment we have from Really Dairy Tales. My boy, Really Dairy Tales, man. Hey, y'all, go subscribe to him. He said, this guy is comedy. WV. Hey, Brody, I appreciate it. Couldn't have done it without you, man. Couldn't have done it without you. And then for last but not least, we have Naomi Boyette 9661, and she says, biggest fish I've ever seen. And the double up. Yes, I think I remember this video. This was when we were at the lake fishing. We caught some humongous catfish. If y'all haven't seen that, man, go on ahead. Go watch it, man. That was a good day. I appreciate the comment, Naomi. Yeah, much love, guys. Appreciate you. If you want to be featured in the next video, get in that comment section. Let's go.
Ooh, it came off.
How?
I don't know. I feel like the water's making it too soft. But that's fine. We got a whole pack just for that reason.
It's another one here. You ain't never seen this color.
Oh, that's crazy. You gonna use that?
Yeah. Got one?
Ah, snagged. Snagged. I thought it tricked me, boy. I thought I had it. Let's get it, y'all. I have faith in this, man. We gonna try it. You know what else I got faith in? Jesus. If y'all don't know about it, y'all better figure it out.
Let's see. I think I can catch one right here. Oh. Wait a second. Bro. Oh no. What? I'm feeling something, bro. I'm feeling something, bro. That actually might have been a fish. A who? Hope? No. Oh my God. No, 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 no. No. And I know, and I know. That's bad. It is bad.
Oh, here go bass right here. Oh, he wasn't rocking. He seen me. I think I just got a bite, but I can't tell. Nah. There is a bass over here. I can feel it, man. I feel it in my bones.
The Dookie Monster. You caught a turtle.
It's not a turtle.
It looked like a turtle though.
It's a random twig, a log, piece of something.
Oh, so they do it like this.
Come on, guys, we gotta get one.
That's where I got that bite the first, man. Gotta keep it going. I don't even know where I was at. Is that one right here? Why? Come on. Nice little pop. Look like it's a worm. Pop, pop, pop. I'm probably black right now.
I'm gonna try this one. No, they're actually good.
They got it. Oh. What is that? Oh. I keep. What? Oh my God. And I literally see it.
Oh, big bass right here. You see it? Come on, do something about it. Do something about it. Just stared at it.
Come on, I don't want to tie another knot. Oh. I'm like confident.
I felt a tug and it was gone.
Yeah, I can't even fish, bro. No, we don't switch up. We gotta catch a fish.
At this point, guys, I'm just trying to get a reaction strike. You know what I'm saying? Laying on somebody's head. Just,
Look at all these bluegill. Does it count? Bluegill? Y'all like that? Y'all like that?
oh, hold on. I'm about to hit this right here. I'm about to hit this right here. A couple of them. They see it, but do they want it? Bro, there's a pod just right here. Head top. Come on, somebody take it. Nobody. Penny takers?
Oh. What is this?
What you got? What you got?
What the heck is that? Oh my God. I thought I had it too, bro. Got me catching fossils, bro. It's a rock. I'm like, ain't no way I just caught a monster on the turtle. I mean, on the trolley. The way it was feeling. I don't know what that was.
This is harder than I thought it was gonna be. Bro, I just had a bite. I just had a bite, man. I just had a bite. He ripped it off. Half of it. My dog, I was getting chased.
I'm ready to go, I ain't gonna lie. My body hurt, my face hurt, my chin hurt, my neck hurt, my ladybug hurt, my man areas hurt. So watch I catch this fish even though everything hurt. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, watch this. Okay. How, bro, how? I have never got snagged so much in my life.
That's it. Down to our last two. Two left.
Lost our marbles.
Still got a little bit on the
Catch this one right here. Game on the line. Down 4. I mean, down 3. 3-0. Winner. Down 3. Winner go home. What you gonna do about it? Ouch. He trying to yank something. Oh. You gotta say for yourself. For your dishonesty. If you don't know what to say, you know what I'm gonna say. is the fact that we got bites. The fact we got bites. Some tugs, some licks, some all that good stuff. Still a win. We may not saw a fish physically and never got a bite, but it's hot. That's another thing. Y'all, it's hot. It's steamy. It's steamy, y'all.
You win some, you lose some, but you live. You live to fish another day. This was hard. Personally, I bought these and I'm like, yeah, this is gonna be the best video in the world. I'm gonna catch fish on a gummy worm. I just don't know what to do. I was trying. I was really trying. And like, they wasn't biting, man. They just wasn't biting for me. They wasn't biting. And they didn't bite. And I threw it out again, and they didn't bite. If y'all like this video, man, just go ahead, like, subscribe, tell your friends and family about me. You know what I'm saying? Maybe they'll like it too. Drop something in the comments down below if you want to be featured in the next video. Love you guys. Any suggestions on how that could have went better? I'm open ears.
You said trash. We could have got it though.
We could have.
We needed more work. We needed more worms.
Should get those.